Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba Inu. 140.7 million SHIB added to burn pot for March 15 event. Pot now contains 655 million tokens. SHIB Army continues its token burn campaigns, and by now, another 140.7 million Shiba Inu have been added to the burn pot of this major SHIB burning team. Earlier this month, Today reported that the burning pot for February and March already contained 500 million SHIB. Also, over the past 24 hours, more than 11 million meme tokens have been burned. 140.7 million SHIB added to the burn pot. The @SHIB Superstore Twitter account that represents the official page of the Johnson SHIB Burn Games has stated that so far in March, they have prepared a total of $3,159 worth of Shiba Inu for the burn, even that regularly takes place in the 15th day of each month. This is the dollar equivalent of 140,712,694 SHIB K9 tokens. On March 1st, this Twitter handle announced that they had managed to raise a staggering 514,503,816 SHIB for the burn event. However, in fiat this amount does not look as exciting as in crypto, $12,806. By now, the total amount of SHIB to be destroyed equals roughly 655,216,510, depending on the moves of the token price. The company uses part of their advertising profits for purchasing SHIB done by the likes of Elon Musk. It had basically taken a life of its own, and from it had spawned what is now known as the meme coin space. Dogecoin, which had rallied from about 2 cents to more than $0.7, had left a couple of millionaires in its wake. However, mid-2021 saw Dogecoin begin to crash and crumble as support died down. Other coins crawled up to steal market share from the pioneer meme coin, and it has continued on a downward trend since then. Nevertheless, this has not meant that Doge holders have lost everything. Quite the opposite in fact. Despite Dogecoin now trading around 11 cents, a good portion of investors still remains in profit. Data from Into the Blocks shows that it remains an even balance between investors in profit and those in a loss. 49% of all Doge holders are still in profit, the same number for those in loss, while 2% remain in the neutral territory. Buyers push the altcoin above the overhead flipped resistance. It would project that the current breakdown was a fake out, and the coin price would re-enter the continuation pattern. Technical indicator: the downsloping EMAs 20, 50, and 100 indicate aggressive selling from crypto traders. Moreover, the coin chart shows a negative crossover of the 20 and 200 SMA, bolstering the triangle fallout. However, the relative strength INDEX42 holds above the 40% mark, despite the lower low formation in price action, suggesting a slight weakness in bearish momentum. Resistance levels $0.000226 and $0.000253 support levels, or $0.00002 and $0.000017 are currently in profit, presumably those that got into the digital asset early. 58% of all investors are in loss, and only 4% of investors are in the neutral territory. As for the price of SHIB, it continues to trend around the $0.00002 level. There has not been much momentum in the digital asset in recent times, and even massive purchases by whales have not done much to push the price upwards. Shiba Inu price prediction: trendline breakout aims the next bull cycle to target $0.000027. A descending trendline breakout reinforces the SHIB price attempts to rebound from the bottom support trendline. However, the shared resistance of $0.000025, 50 and 200-day EMA prevents the coin price from rising higher. The buyers need to gather enough bullish momentum during the ongoing retest if they want to overcome the overhead barrier. The recent bear cycle within the symmetrical triangle pattern plunged the Shiba Inu (SHIB) price to the $0.0000213 mark, registering a 40% loss. In this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu (SHIB) prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024.